Okay, so to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, you have to scroll down below and try to search for, you know, apps or app management or app and preference or apps. So after that, tap on it when you find that. Then when it opens like this, what you have to do is to just tap on app settings. So when you tap on app settings, this is where you are going to see all your app listed over here. So what you have to do when you get here is to try to search for Gangster Vegas app. So when you find it, you are going to tap on it. So just tap on it. After that, tap on notifications and make sure these notifications are all allowed. Just check and scroll down to see everything. Then after that, go back and tap on storage and cache. Then tap on the clear cache. Then after that, you go back. Then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. And as you can see over here, when you get to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and mobile data and restriction, you're going to see background data. Make sure this background data is turned on like this. Then after that, go back and tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store to update it. So after updating it, what you have to do next is to tap on your power button for some while, and this is going to pop up. What you have to do is to restart or reboot your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.